I tore a bike apart, and I'm in the midst of cleaning it. And now we're going to be putting it back together. This is a bike we picked up at a estate sale for next to nothing, but I saw potential. So let's get to it. All right, this is a 1974 Schwinn Suburban, made in Chicago. There's the serial number right there. And paint is good, a few little nicks, but it polished up really nice. As you can see, the chrome was in great shape there. And now we're gonna grease these bearings and start putting this thing back together. As you can see, we left nothing on here except for the crank cups. I mean, I could have knocked them out, but they're easy enough to clean. But other than that, everything was knocked off. This seat here, that was taken off. Everything was polished underneath it. So, the only new parts we're going to be having, chain, that's a no-brainer. Chain. New bands for the rims. 2 new tubes. 2 new tires. And 2 brake cables and a shifter cable. That's it. Fresh grease. Pack that stuff in there. Lock washer. Lock nut. Tighten that up and move on to the next piece. What does gumball actually mean? Alright, well, I got carried away and didn't do any more filming. So, basically, here it is. Yeah, it looks great. Rides really nice. You'll walk around here. Everything cleaned up very well. The new tires are very soft, so they ride smooth. The only thing we haven't done yet is get the new brake shoes, and we will do that because those are very hard, so not so pliable anymore. Oh yeah, and we're going to be upgrading that seat. And I say upgrade, this seat was not very good when it was new. And it's just ugly. I don't care if it's original Schwinn equipment. It's just, you know, the springs are a joke. They just squeak as you go down the street, and it literally rides like a buckboard. So, a few minutes in this saddle's okay, but if you're going on a couple-hour ride, yeah, that's not the saddle for your behind. Oh, gonna need a reflector down there. You see a hole. Gonna need to put a reflector in there. That one's missing. It seems to be every time we find one of these, the reflector's always missing. It shifts gears really nice. Got our new silver chain on there. Everything is working really well. Maybe a little bit of adjustment on the derailleur. It's a little stubborn going into the very high gear, but it will go if you jam on the shifter enough. It will go in there and stay in there, but it needs to be adjusted with the adjustment screw in the derailleur right there. Very nice. Very clean. A survivor for sure. All right. Well, that's it for this project. On to the next.